Up this week, we've got the incredible slow and low cooked 2 to 3 hour brisket of beef with the incredible Zenby yellow pea pasta. Okay, so the base of our sauce is going to be really simple. We've got tomatoes, peppers, a little bit of heat going through there with chili. We're going to put it into a pan. It's going to cook for around 3 hours in the oven. We're going to add some olive oil to our pan. We're going to take 1 onion, and this doesn't need to be neat or anything because this is all going to get blitzed up at the end. But the onion can go straight in. We have got 5 tomatoes, and we're just going to literally cut these straight into 4s. They can go into. We've got, for a heat element, we've just got a chili, seeds and all, that can all go in. We've got 2 red peppers. So we're going to use 2 pieces of brisket here. I've just gone to the butcher's. They've taken off a little bit of the fat for me because I don't want too much fat going through the dish, but retained a little bit. Brisket's going to be really slow and low, so we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 hours. They can go straight in, and they're simply just going to brown off slightly. We want to season, so generous amount of our salt and pepper. So we're just getting a little bit of colour on the meat there. We have got some garlic puree. We've got some balsamic vinegar. We've got a small glass of bourbon. We've got some sun-dried tomatoes here. We're going to add around 4 to 5 of these. We've got about 100 ml of red wine. We've got 500 ml of beef stock. 400 grams of chopped tomatoes. Now, you just want to bring this up to a nice gentle simmer, and that can go into an oven at 180 Celsius for around 2.5 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, I have paired up with the incredible Zenby pasta yet again. However, they have launched this amazing new spaghetti. I actually like to use it as a direct replacement for spaghetti. It's gluten-free and 100% yellow peas. It's high in fibre, high protein, no additives and no preservatives. And I'll tell you what, this thing is an absolute game changer. It has the same bite and texture as spaghetti. So we've got some boiling water over here. We're going to season that generously with some smoked sea salt. Okay, so we're going to take our Zenby spaghetti and it's going to go into our boiling water. While that's cooking away, so we're going to do it for about 5 to 7 minutes. We're going to get our beef out of the oven. Off with our lid, and you can see there you've got this amazing silky sauce. We're going to take our 2 pieces of cooked beef out. We're going to rest them on a board. For our last bit of flavour, we've got a generous handful of basil. Then we're going to take our stick blender and blend that so it's a nice silky smooth sauce. So now we've got a smooth sauce. We're going to grab a couple of forks and we're just going to pull this beef apart. And then lastly, that beef is going to go back into our sauce. Stir the beef through the sauce. So we're going to grab some of our spaghetti. We're going to take some of our amazing beef sauce. Right, let's serve this one up. We've got a generous amount of Parmesan over the top. Just a few of our basil leaves. And there we have it. That is my 2 to 3 hour pulled brisket of beef with the incredible tomato and pepper sauce. And once again, the brilliant Zenby yellow pea spaghetti. Now check out the link in my description box and look at the amazing yellow pea range. Gluten-free, they do sauces, other pastas as well. Go and check them out. As always, copy me in on social media with Haste Kitchen. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you soon. Cheers then, bye-bye.